Hello, everybody. Now let me explain to you the assembly process of column pieces. It is mainly composed of cross brace, slant support, column and foot piece. The cross brace is shorter than the slant support. Then the horizontal brace is placed at the top and bottom of the column. There may be gaps in the area where the horizontal braces are separately connected to the columns, so there will be a plastic pad to prevent it from loosening. The other end is connected with slant support. Okay, then slant support and slant support are connected in a staggered manner. You can also ask our business manager for a drawing on which the position of slant support will be marked.
A few moments later.
Okay, we have assembled this column piece. Next, we can tighten the screws tightly. One more question. We have this directly welded base plate, as well as this adjustable base plate. This adjustable installation is also very simple. After placing it this way, we have matching screws. The screw cap must be placed inside, because expansion screws needs to be installed here at the back. After the installation of all columns is completed, we need to stand the column in a fixed position. Install the upper crossbeam. Due to the use of buckle design on the crossbeam, so we don't need to use screws to fix it. Just one safety pin is enough. Finally, remember to fix the foot piece with expansion screws. Have you learned how to install shelves?